Very good morning, class. Let's begin with the new chapter, that is chapter 3, nature and valuation of goodwill. As you know that goodwill is an intangible asset linked to an established business built over time. As a business gains favorable reputation for maintaining good customer, suppliers, relationship, and effective branding, as it expected to make profit year after year. Goodwill is an intangible asset which places an enterprise at an advantage due to which the enterprise is able to earn higher profit without putting extra efforts. Goodwill is the present value of expected future income that it is an excess of normal return on the investment in tangible assets or for the excess of price paid for business. Let's take an example. Let's take an example of Narula ice cream, both sweet and kulfi. The market value of business is 75 lakh, although the net value of business is 7 lakh. Here it means rupees 5 lakh extra is for what reason? Maybe the reason is brand name, customer size, suppliers, its workforce that turns to the valuation of goodwill. There are many factors that affect the existence of goodwill. Good public relation, regular customers, quality maintenance, management skills, location, good relation, and supplier employees are the different factors that affecting the valuation of goodwill. We need to evaluate the goodwill because of the following reason, like when there is a change in profit sharing ratio, when a new partner admitted, when a partner retired or died, when partnership firm is sold as a going concern, when two or more firm amalgamate, when a partnership firm is converted into the company. There are two types of goodwill class. The first type of goodwill is known as purchase goodwill, and the second type of goodwill is known as self-generated goodwill. As the word says itself, that purchase goodwill means the goodwill for which the firm has paid consideration in cash or kind. For example, when a business is purchased and purchase consideration is more than the net assets. Net assets means the assets minus liability. So the difference amount of the value is known as goodwill. And self-generated goodwill is the goodwill in which is not purchased for a consideration, but is earned by the efforts of the management. It is an initially generated goodwill which arises from a number of factors like favorable location, effective management, good quality of product, etc. That a running business possesses due to which it is able to earn higher profit. There are three features of self-generated goodwill, or you can also call it as non-purchase goodwill. It is generated initially, generally over the year. Its valuation is subjective assessment of the valuer, being not based on evidence. Accounting Standard 26 prescribed that self-generated goodwill is not recognized as asset.